Was doing CA a good decision?
Of course, absolutely. I think if I look back now, it's definitely, I mean, like you said that, whatever I can do today, be it, following my passion for endurance sports, be it modeling, because that's also not something which I, by the way, I did only couple of...
नहीं, मैंने भी एक ही बार करा है. बोलने में क्या था? It looks nice, we've modeled. You lost your father early, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
है ना? And then you were still doing CA. And he doesn't know this. I remember when I was teaching in my academy, तो कुछ बच्चे मेरे पास आए, कहते सर हम लॉ तो ना सिर्फ अभय सर से पढ़ेंगे. मैं कहा अभय पढ़ाता भी है. So this was a revelation. So he was teaching as well. So please take us through that journey. How did you keep that energy going at that point of time? How was your journey with, of CA journey as a student?
और वहाँ पे there's this guy from KPMG गुड़गांव.
अच्छा.
अब I'm a straight person, but then जब मैंने उसको देखा, I was like यार ऐसे होते हैं. So he was wearing a coat pant, tie उसने पहना हुआ था.
Aspirational.
I was like wow. मैंने कहा इससे कौन बात कराए? तो अपने फ्रेंड को बोला, मैंने कहा यार is there a way that we can go and talk to him? So I was like यार ऐसे ही बनना है, ये कर, मतलब
yeah. that image. I think we all need idols.
Yeah. मैं गाना लगाता था जल का, जो मेरे फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स होते थे. I used to hold
कौन सा वाला?
मेरा वो लम्हे, आदत, all these. So 2-3 songs were my favorite. तो मैं एक रिमोट को ना ऐसे पकड़ के like I'm singing in front of a crowd. मैं ऊंचे गाने गाता था. So that used to be my way of setting myself free.
Okay, then letting out the steam.
Yeah,
freedom.
ऊंची आवाज, मतलब चिल्ला गाना गाता था.
I mean, I've DJ'd, people don't know this, but there is a side of me that does DJing as well.
This is also something which you have told me.
Yeah, very few people. Yeah. So I used to go for parties. Yeah. I used to be, doing पढ़ाई तो खैर लोगों ने मेरे को करते देखा नहीं होगा. So I remember जब रिजल्ट आया ना, तो हमारे ऑफिस में there were 40 people. And I think there were the 2 people who passed. तो मैं मिठाई का डब्बा लेके गया अपने पार्टनर के सामने. कहते बेटा ये किस बात के लिए? मैं कहा सर मैं पास हो गया. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द फेस. तू पास हो गया? तू कैसे पास हो गया? हेलो नमस्कार. I have been an educator now 22 years. But before I became an educator, I became a chartered accountant. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है as an educator, it is my duty, it is my responsibility to teach the newer generation about what it means to be a chartered accountant. Over the last so many years, I've had the privilege of being, a part of the journey of so many young chartered accountants. But some of them also became a part of mine. The Indian chartered accountant is that one person who's the pillar of the financial world. And I want all the youngsters out there to understand this. Therefore, through this series, which I say is celebrating the Indian chartered accountant, I want to bring out those successful normal chartered accountants जो silently इस पूरी economy को एक तरीके से they're keeping all the statutory compliances going. So welcome, I'm C. Arvind Tuli and you're watching this on Unacademy. So today's guest is a very special guest and I wanted to start this series with him only, no one else. And I'll take you back, 2008 की बात है, गजनी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई थी. मैं सीए फाइनल की क्लास में एंटर करता हूं और वहां 2 लड़के बैठे हैं पूरे गजनी हेयर स्टाइल के साथ. ये सीए फाइनल की क्लास है. लोग कहते हैं सीए फाइनल के बच्चे पढ़ाकू सीरियस माइंडेड होते हैं. नाउ अभय भनोट इज whom I'm going to be inviting today. रोडीज में जा चुका है, सारे मेरी डांस पार्टीज में he was the most popular boy. सारे मेरे पार्टीज को होस्ट करता था. He's today the director of finance of Bain. He's a Ironman runner as well as swimmer, triathlon coach. He's a model and above all, he's a chartered accountant. So welcome to the couch.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction, sir. I think we've been wanting to have this conversation for long time.
2-2.5 साल तो मेरे को याद है. 2-2.5 साल पहले हमने
बिल्कुल
ये प्लान करा था.
प्लान किया था.
But like this है, जब जिसका टाइम आया तभी होता है. But I'm so glad we are able to do this.
Yes.
Because I see a lot of youngsters, they don't know what it means to be a chartered accountant. है ना? So let's start with this.
Done.
Was doing CA a good decision?
Of course, absolutely. I think if I look back now, it's definitely is. I mean, like you said that, you know, whatever I can do today, be it, you know, following my passion for endurance sports, be it modeling, because that's also not something which I, by the way, I did only couple of.
नहीं, मैंने भी एक ही बार करा है. बोलने में क्या था? It looks nice, you know.
Yeah.
We've modeled. Yeah.
See, but at the end of the day, I mean, it's all about, you know, becoming whatever you want to become.
So it gives you freedom.
It's give you the freedom, and you need that financial freedom as well.
Yes.
Right? So
it's lets us. Plus, it becomes an identity, na?
Yeah.
I mean, it's very difficult to take me away from, you know, the two words before my name.
Bilkul,
It's become a kind of an identity.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, you know, I want you to go back with me in time and let's start with your journey. I've seen you grow up from that young kid who was very charming. Of course,
I'm
you
still young,
are. No, okay. So, a chota bacha, and to where you are today. And you know, and we've been in touch. I think it's been a pleasure to be in touch with you. Like I said, some students do become a part of your journey as well. I've seen you get married, and I've seen you have a kid, and it is such a beautiful journey.
Yeah.
But you know, I saw you at a point of time. I think you lost your father early, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Hai? And then you were still doing CA. And you know, he doesn't know this. I remember when I was teaching in my academy, तो कुछ बच्चे मेरे पास आए, कहते सर हम लॉ तो ना सिर्फ अभय सर से पढ़ेंगे. मैं कहा अभय पढ़ाता भी है. So this was a, you know, revelation. So he was teaching as well. So please take us through the journey. How did you keep that energy going at that point of time? How was your journey with, you know, of CA journey as a student?
Sure. So nobody in my immediate family is a chartered accountant. But my father always wanted me to, you know, become a chartered accountant. The reason is that one of my distant cousins, he has done chartered accountancy.
अच्छा.
And पापा हमेशा कहते थे कि वो इतना होशियार नहीं है, अगर वो कर सकता है तो तू भी कर लेगा. This was something which becoming CA was always
a goal, yeah, which my father gave to me. So he passed away when I was in 11th standard. Okay.
I still remember my exam had just started. March का time था. और एक एग्जाम हुआ था, he passed away, and एग्जाम देने थे आगे. But I mean, you know, these are things which you actually look back, you know, you can either, these are the moments which will either make you weak or they make you strong.
I agree. I think, yeah. So I, you know, just sharing this with you, there was a friend of mine, and no names, but I still remember उसके CA paper से 20 दिन पहले his sister committed suicide. So obviously it breaks you down. But he said, sir, I can either break down. कहता I will mourn my sister always. मेरा दोस्त था तो कहता, but he went and gave his paper. CA के पेपर दिए उसने. You
remember Deepti?
हाँ.
Her father passed away, I think, during the CA final examination.
And she still gave the paper.
She cleared in first attempt.
Yeah. Like we said, the life goes on. You will mourn the people, but they live in the memories. They give you that motivation, I believe. Like you said, your father gave you the vision to become a CA. Awesome. Quite
frankly, this is probably the first time, you know, जब मैं सोच रहा हूँ, if you ask me कि why did you do CA? I, you know, just like any other guy at that.
I think वो subconscious हो जाता है. पापा ने बोला हुआ है.
बिल्कुल नहीं तो पता. मेरे को आज तक पूछो, मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या करना है. Let's say if I go back, you know, 20 years and बोलो कि यार अब तुमने क्या करना है. I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता. But maybe my father.
मेरे से पूछते हैं आपने क्यों करी? मैं कहता हूँ मेरे ना 3 कजन थे, sisters. They got married to 3 gentlemen who were doing very well. मैं कहा यही करनी है. पैसा बहुत है इसमें. Let's do that. And you know, we were not very well informed in those times. I think that's what it is. Yeah. So you joined Minds. When did we meet the first time?
I think we would have met in 2005. 2005.
Wow.
Because 2004 is.
रुक जाएगा. Let me absorb the moment. 20 साल हो गए.
20 साल हो गए.
Awesome.
अगर मुझे पता होता आप अभी भी ऐसे लग रहा है would have died. अभी उल्टा लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इनको पढ़ाता था.
नहीं. So, you know, like I said, I am a teacher. I will always remain young because I am with the younger generation even now. Once you were my students. But it was very nice teaching you all at that point of time. उस समय जो बच्चा था वो बहुत इंटरेस्टेड था पढ़ने में. आजकल कहीं पर मुझे ऐसा लगना शुरू है कि बच्चा इंटेलिजेंट बहुत है. I mean, this fraternity gets the best of the talent. But somehow they are indecisive. ये करें, वो करें, वहां पर जाएं, वो वैसे करें, एंड यू नो, सो दैट आई बिलीव दे नीड टू ऑल सेटल डाउन. दे नीड टू नाउ, through their seniors, through you, understand what it means to be a CA. So we will come to that journey, but let us go through your student journey. So how was it doing? I think तुम्हारे टाइम पे CPT था.
Yes.
CPT करके आया था ना?
P1. I have done P1.
Oh, you've done P1.
Yes. I'm one of those lucky few who enjoyed their graduation also. So I did my P2. So by the time I completed my graduation, I was done with P2, which is I think the second inter. CA inter.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
हो गया था. So I loved my school days, college days, whatever you want to call them. College regular जाते थे. College वाला time, at least the college वाला time is the only time when I used to have fun. Right, because
नहीं ऐसे मत बोल, मेरी classes में भी fun कर रहे.
So I'm coming to that. My routine was that I used to have my college ke the accounts ki tuition in the morning from 7 to 8:30. 9 to 2 used to be college. 9 to 1:30 used to be college. College bunk कर लिया, उसमें enjoy कर लिया, पढ़ लिया, दोस्तों से मिल लिया. 2 to 6 I used to take tuitions, which you would not know because मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं था उस time पे, at least only
सुनो 2 to 6, and this is when you are doing graduation.
When I was doing graduation.
Awesome. Responsibility. And
so those of you who are from Chandigarh or who know about Chandigarh, I did my graduation from SD College. और SD College के साथ ही है SD School.
SD School.
तो मेरे पास SD School के बच्चे बहुत आते थे.
अच्छा.
तो मैं SD College में जाता था और I used to have open jeep at that point of time.
I remember.
तो मैं जब कॉलेज से बाहर आता था तो वहाँ पे ना मुझे जीप में आई यूज्ड टू गेट दीस नोट्स कि सर आज हमने बंक मार के आपके जीप में बैठे हैं, हमने आराम से धूप सेकी इन ड्यूरिंग विंटर.
तब कैमरास नहीं होते थे ना कि वो सेल्फी भी ले लेते. You're right.
So I'm saying that so 2 से 6 पढ़ाया, उसके बाद 6:30 to 9 used to be again my CA tuition. So तब तो ये टाइम ही नहीं लगता था कि no time for distractions as such.
Why was so all this serious, because I remember you not as a serious student.
Yeah.
Yet here you are telling me this. I didn't know कि तू इतना पढ़ा रहा था. I thought maybe one batch.
No.
And this is for how many years were you teaching?
6 years.
Wow. So you're
throughout
shouldering the responsibility even then.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And I never used to be a serious teacher, just like you. Never used to be a serious teacher. मुझे I don't know if I should be saying it right now, but हम क्लास में, so our class used to be for an hour. 45 मिनट पढ़ना होता था, 15 मिनट क्रिकेट. फिर क्रिकेट खेल के कभी बच्चों को मैंने ताश भी सिखाया, 3 पत्ती खेलते थे.
नहीं, इससे ऐसी बातें नहीं करनी है.
No, but the point was that, see, it's
no, I think as a teacher I've also believed if you're happy, if you're having fun, you will learn more. So सिर्फ पढ़ाई फोकस नहीं होता है. It's an overall
you need to, जैसे आपका और मेरा, like we are still connected.
Yes.
It's been 20 years.
Yes.
So that bond, you need to kind of form that bond with your students.
Now you remember when we were going through that journey, CA Inter में, we were the first who started these parties in Chandigarh.
Yes.
I always felt कि बच्चों को parties होना चाहिए. Treasure hunts we used to do.
Yes.
And you were always there.
We were the winners of the first treasure hunt.
First treasure hunt. So treasure hunt, बच्चे, we used to do, the entire city of Chandigarh में, we used to have clues wherein, all the students on their scooters, mobiles used to go around, ढूंढते थे clues पूरी city में. It used to be a big fun मेला we used to have. We used to have an annual reunion as well.
We used to have it in December. उसके लिए there was our first experience, so as to say कि जहाँ पे सर बोलते थे कि जाके sponsors लेके आओ.
Sponsors लेकर आओ, yeah.
Right. And of course, at the end of the day, जो भी whatever money used to be pitched in, वो sir.
No, so we used to use, we used to.
But I mean, if you actually look at it right now, what do you say कि भी startup कैसे है? आपको funding लानी है.
बिल्कुल funding लानी है.
Right. I mean, again आपसे बात करते हुए लग रहा है कि back in the day.
No, so I always, but nice you're saying it, because मेरा यही रहता था. उस समय ICI was not what ICI is today. ICI का एक room होता था, if you remember over there. So I had taken this responsibility कि यार मेरे को इनको ना पूरा एक माहौल देना as a CA. Because when I was doing CA, जब डिग्री आई थी ना, पता क्या होता था, बस डिग्री आ गई, मैं सोच रहा हूँ इतनी मेहनत करके डिग्री लिया, कोई ताली मारे, कोई कुछ करे, no one's there. So remember at the reunion हम लोग क्या करते थे, जितने CS पास हुए उनको हम पूरा mementos देते थे. We had a party जहाँ पर 400-500 बच्चे आते थे. We had a complete fun.
And I think we had couple of your students who came all the way from Dubai also.
Yeah, Dubai से आते बहुत सारे. So, you know, it's been a privilege. Aajkal, a lot of my students like you, director finance and some branch heads and all, I'm still young. But now let's move, you are a CA.
Yeah.
So you've now gone from a small city, Chandigarh.
Yeah.
I think you joined PW.
I joined PwC.
PW in the beginning. So what was that transition from suddenly from Chandigarh, जहाँ पर you were like, you know, in the CA fraternity, अभय को कोई नहीं, there was no one who didn't know, and then you are in PW.
It was very, very overwhelming, I would say. I think just before, you know, we started this conversation, we were talking that तो चंडीगढ़ में तो क्या था, CA clear किया जिसने भी, I think out of what 100-200 odd people who would have appeared, इनती का वो इस टाइम पे भी 10% 8% रिजल्ट.
बिल्कुल.
So जो 10-20 लोग clear करते थे, you know used to know everybody. अच्छा इसने कर लिया, उसने कर लिया. Cut to my you know first day in PwC. I joined with Nitesh, by the way. So Nitesh and I we joined together in PwC. और हमारा first day when I entered PwC, I saw you know close to 100-200 people you know working on their laptops. तो मैं Nitesh और Tonu, as I call him.
Nitesh is another student of mine. Again, they all passed, 3 friends.
Yeah.
Gautam, Nitesh and Abhay. ये हमारे trilogy थे वहाँ पर.
तो मैंने उसको बोला, मैं कहा टोनू यार ये लोग कौन है? He said सब CA हैं. मैंने कहा ये सब CA हैं. So there was my you know first encounter as to say कि हम अकेले नहीं हैं, यहाँ तो बहुत सारे हैं. Yeah, we are nobody. So from Chandigarh to even before that, I would say when I think KPMG was opening their first office in Chandigarh, I still remember they had organized a party. तो वहाँ पर हम लोग गए थे. We were invited because again one of our reference, and they wanted the potential CAs to kind of come जो भी कर रहे हैं. So and the reason I'm telling you this is because this happened to me. Like आप बोल रहे हो ना कि आपने तो इसलिए किया because your cousins were married to gentlemen. तो हम वहाँ पे आए और वहाँ पे there's this guy from KPMG गुड़गांव. अच्छा. अब I'm a straight person, but then जब मैंने उसको देखा, I was like यार ऐसे होते हैं. So he was wearing a coat pant, tie उसने पहना हुआ था. Aspirational. I was like wow. मैंने कहा इससे कौन बात कराएगा? तो अपने फ्रेंड को बोला, मैंने कहा यार is there a way that you know we can go and talk to him? So I was like यार ऐसे ही बनना है, ये कर, मतलब you know that image. I think we all need idols. Yeah. We all need idols, and if we can get idols from the same fraternity, nothing like it. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So Big Four का used to be you know that aura कि यार Big Four है. अभी भी है. I think they maintain that. So you know from there on to joining one of the Big Fours was again kind of a dream come true. But again when my day one when I went inside, so I just want everyone to know, Abhay, despite all his fun activities where he was roadies में भी गया हुआ है. गौतम लेके गया. गौतम ये दोनों roadies audition मतलब audition के लिए गए थे. GD के आगे. Yeah. So with all that fun, he cleared CA first shot. So like I always tell every student of mine, जब पढ़ रहे हो पढ़ो. जब खेल रहे हो खेलो, दोनों को मिक्स नहीं करना. बिल्कुल. So very nice. I think that is what I want everybody out there to know. I think you know a lot of time we say that you know used to keep your mind away from distractions. What I personally believe, and of course you know I might be wrong, is that you need to actually keep your mind away from let's say studies also at times. Bilkul. It's very important. Yeah. I still remember, and I'm probably telling you this for the first time, CA फाइनल के एग्जाम्स होते थे हमारे, 8 एग्जाम्स थे, तो एक छुट्टी के बाद होते थे, तो मतलब 16 days and you're done with your exams. उस टाइम पे back in those days 2009 there used to be a series, उस टाइम पे आती Starward पे Lost करके. I don't know if you've seen. Of course, favorite series. So one of my favorite series. और तब ये OTT नहीं होता था that you know in one shot you get all this. तो उसका हर हफ्ते एक एपिसोड आता था. अब मैं उसको देखता था शुरू से. तो ड्यूरिंग दोज एग्जाम मतलब 2 उसके एपिसोड्स आए थे. आई यूज्ड टू यू नो, तो मेरा एग्जाम हुआ है, अगर आज हुआ है आज आना है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि यार मैं एग्जाम के बाद देखूंगा. दैट 1 hour यूज्ड टू बी माय यू नो पीस. एंड यू नीड इट. भूल गया सब कुछ. अरे यू नीड इट. मैं तो बच्चों को अपनी स्टोरी भी सुनाता हूं. लाइक आई रिमेंबर हमारे टाइम पे एक पिक्चर थी अक्षय कुमार और नगमा की थी. वो अभी भी है अक्षय कुमार, है ना. लाइक यू से टीचर आप अभी भी हो. सो अक्षय कुमार और नगमा की थी. एंड ये आधे घंटे का मेरे को नाम भूल जाता पिक्चर का. आधे घंटे का सीक्वेंस था. इतना हंसी आती थी मेरे को. मैं हर एग्जाम से पहले देख के जाता था. इट यूज्ड टू रिलैक्स मी सो मच, एंड इन अ रिलैक्स्ड माइंड आपका फोकस बढ़ जाता है. एब्सोल्युटली. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांट टू से. आई हैड दिस रूटीन कि मैं एग्जाम से पहले लाइक हमारा यूजुअली आदत होती है ना कि आप सब चीज़ें फिर से रिवाइज करोगे, देखोगे, ये भी पढ़ लूँ वो भी पढ़ लूँ. आई हैड मेड इट अ पॉइंट कि लेट्स से एग्जाम स्टार्ट्स एट 12 या जब भी स्टार्ट होता था 9 बजे के बाद आई नेवर यूज्ड टू ओपन माई बुक इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वेदर आई नो कि मुझे कुछ आता है नहीं आता है क्या है नहीं. सो मेरी एक रूटीन होती थी. मैं उस टाइम पे अगेन आई डोंट नो आजकल के बच्चों को पता नहीं बट एक बैंड होता था पाकिस्तानी बैंड जल, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट बैंड्स.
म्यूजिक
तो
सुनता था.
मैं क्या करता था 10 बजे तक अपना नहा धो के सब कुछ करके मैं आराम से, और घर वाले चले आते थे, अपना मॉम वाज वर्किंग तो वो चले आते थे, भाई अपना चले आता, घर पे अकेला मैं. तो मैं उस टाइम पे कंप्यूटर्स होते थे, लैपटॉप
हाँ.
तो नहीं होते थे. मैं गाना लगाता था जल का, जो मेरे फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स होते थे. आई यूज्ड टू होल्ड
कौन सा वाला?
मेरा वो लम्हे, आदत,
अच्छा.
ऑल दीज. सो
Okay.
2-3 सॉन्ग्स आर माय फेवरेट. तो मैं एक रिमोट को ना ऐसे पकड़ के लाइक आई एम
Singing.
सिंगिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ क्राउड.
Yeah.
मैं ऊंचे ऊंचे गाने गाता था. So that used to be my way of setting myself free.
Okay, then letting out the steam.
Yeah.
Freedom.
ऊंची आवाज, मतलब चिल्ला गाना गाता था.
So let's come now to your work profile.
Yeah.
So how has your journey been from an intern or young associate at PW to a director of finance at Bain, which is one of the leading consultancy firms? So guide the young chartered accountants out there. What is it that a CA actually is meant to do? What are the big companies looking at us for?
See, I think just like, again, what we were discussing, that, you are teaching, I can still see the same enthusiasm, same passion that was there 20 years back. The reason is because you enjoy what you do,
Yes.
right? I was with PwC for almost 4 years.
अच्छा.
I was enjoying myself, irrespective of whatever work culture.
ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत there'll always be those.
No,
yeah.
my point is that वो enjoyment हो रहा था. There were a lot of good seniors that I had. Like I said, was very overwhelming for me. छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं, आपको पता नहीं वहाँ का nomenclature क्या है. Like on my first assignment, somebody said किया जाके client से ना dump ले आओ.
अच्छा.
Now dump is usually the GL dump.
Yeah.
Like आप बोलते हो, मैं चंडीगढ़ से हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं dump क्या. मैंने कहा कूड़ादान मंगवा रहे, क्यों मंगवा रहे? छोटी छोटी चीजें.
Yeah, understood.
I प्रिंट आउट दे दिया कि इसको स्कैन करके ले आओ. आई हैड नेवर यूज्ड अ प्रिंटिंग मशीन. मुझे पता ही नहीं है यार क्या करना है, राइट? सो हर एक चीज.
कुछ बच्चे सोचेंगे कौन से जमाने से ये दोनों.
I mean,
no, but it's right. We've gone through that stage.
Yeah,
Today kids have it so everything. AI इनको
बिल्कुल.
इससे पहले जो सीरीज थी, I'm sure you watched those 3 students.
Yeah.
They were telling me, sir, आजकल हम जो अपना बनाते हैं ना केस का, वो AI हमारे को वो भी लिखवा देता है, पूरा पैराग्राफ वगैरह सब कुछ लिखवा देता है. हमें उसको वेट करना होता है. So this is so many tools that have come in.
Absolutely.
So dump नहीं पता था इनको, बताइए.
So मुझे ये चीजें नहीं पता थी. So there's a very good friend of mine. Although she was a junior to me, but वो वहीं से articleship कर रही थी. तो उसने मुझे बताई चीजें. We're still very good friends. So I'm saying that point that I'm trying to make here is that of course you find your own path.
Yes.
I started with
but there are others who are mentoring you even there.
Absolutely.
As educators, we take you there.
Absolutely.
Then there will be other chartered accountants who are going to mentor you through that journey to become young.
And you should be open to taking the guidance from anybody. I mean, you're saying seniors chartered accountant. There were of course my seniors who were chartered accountant, but this girl that I'm talking about, she was still doing her articleship.
अच्छा.
And I think
कहीं से भी
I think you should be open to learn that कि यार मैं सीए हूँ, ये तो आर्टिकलशिप कर रही है, ये कैसे बता सकती है.
That's so nice. That's so nice.
So from let's say doing the statutory audit, then when I felt that no, this is maybe not my calling, I don't want to continue doing it for a long, I started looking out.
अच्छा, मतलब 4 साल statutory audit करने के बाद you decide this is not your calling.
No.
Wow. And I want, why I want this. स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि सर पहली बार जो चुन लिया बस अब उसी के साथ हम
नहीं, not at all.
This is what I need to. This line is so amazing. It allows you the flexibility to be so many different professionals.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay. So
even staying in a firm like let's say PwC, it gives you so many options. You can always let's say you start with let's say statutory audit. If you want, you can let's say go to M&As. You can go to expat tax. Whatever you want to do, of course, you'll still have to kind of give the interview and all.
बिल्कुल.
But you have multiple options.
So what did you choose after this?
I wasn't clear what I want to do. I was clear that I don't want to continue with stat audits.
Okay.
So I got a call from McKinsey Knowledge Center.
Wow.
So वहाँ गया, वहाँ पे I worked there only for 5 months, but the interview process was.
McKinsey is aspirational actually.
Yeah. So उनका corporate tax team होता था. वहाँ पर गए. So वहाँ पर I think I gave what? उनका process था that जो उनका seniors थे, तो उनका before they kind of select a candidate, each senior was supposed to meet the candidate.
Okay.
So 12 seniors थे, I still remember. So I had 6 rounds. मतलब 2-2 बैठते थे और आपसे पूछेंगे. It used to be 30-minute conversation. But एक दिन में 6 round and आपको भेजते थे. If they like you, they'll give you the offer. Luckily, fortunately, they liked me. I got the offer. I joined there. But again,
चाम चल गया तेरा वहाँ पर.
चाम चल गया, मैं तो ये बोलता हूँ. So I always say.
But I think what makes a lot of other, I see a lot of kids as well. They don't allow themselves to indulge in their extracurricular activities or their passions or their hobbies.
Yeah.
The reason I wanted you to be here for the first was, here is one person who has excelled in his in his professional world, but every other aspect of life is also there, and that is how you need to learn to handle.
Yeah.
And that makes you charming, because you come across as somebody others would want to be. I would want others to, maybe you become an idol for somebody who's watching it today, and that is exactly the purpose of this series, celebrating the Indian chartered accountant, that normal successful person who's like lost in oblivion, who's not looking for the accolades but doing that job on a daily basis.
Yeah. I mean, I think a lot of us at times what we have done is we have kind of एक image बना ली है CA की, he or she will be a studious person, जिसको दुनियादारी का कुछ नहीं पता, लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, but that's not the case.
Exactly.
Right. Again, going back in time, just one incident which I wanted to kind of share. So हम लोग क्या करते थे, used to go to Punjab University की library होती थी, because चंडीगढ़ में that was the only place which used to be open for 24 hours. तो मैं सुबह सुबह चले आता था, अपना 6-7 बजे चले आता था और रात को आता था 10 बजे. That used to be routine अपना जब पढ़ाई करते थे. तो अब वहाँ पे क्या था, you of course meet lot of other students also, आपके साथ की होते थे, सब पढ़ रहे हैं, मैं भी पढ़ता ही था, बट मेरे लिए पढ़ाई का मतलब जब ब्रेक पे आया हूँ तो मुझे बस ब्रेक चाहिए, to kind of look around, देखते थे अच्छा.
I understand.
So
since Neha might be watching, we're not going to be talking about.
She knows all about it. So जब हम ब्रेक पे भी होते थे तो all those my fellow students, जो कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे पढ़ रहे थे, used to talk about case laws, ये वो. I never kind of showed any kind of interest. मैं नहीं contribute करता, उसमें मेरा नहीं interest, right? जब मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ तो पढ़ लिया, break है तो मुझे let me enjoy. Cut to when the result came in, like you said. I mean, I always say that I'm probably the one of those luckiest people who kind of cleared in first attempt, because there are a lot of hardworking students.
No, because I think that's a simple rule. While you're studying, you're studying.
Yeah.
While you're playing, you're playing.
Yeah.
That's how.
So I got a call from one of my friends who was who did not clear. हम इकट्ठे पढ़ते होते थे. उसने बोला, कह रहा यार, और मेरे पास उसका नंबर भी नहीं था, तो फोन आया कि अभी मैं I don't even remember that guy's name right now, but he said कि यार ऐसे कर, congratulations. I said thank you. कहता यार एक ना तेरे को बात बोलनी थी. मैं कहा बता. कह रहा यार मैं ना कहीं बोला नहीं, हम ना तेरे पीछे बड़ा बोलते थे कि ये क्यों कर रहे थे, ये
इससे तो होगी नहीं.
हम मतलब तू जीप में जाता होता था, यूज्ड टू हैव बाइक उससे पहले, है ना, तो एनफील्ड होता था कि भाई फुकरा सा लगता था तू, कभी वही गजनी कट करा लिया. आई केम टू चंडीगढ़ गुड़गांव फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जस्ट टू गेट अ टैटू डन. एक दिन का ट्रिप बनाया था. ऑल दिस व्हाइल डूइंग अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स. तो कहते कि हमें लगता था कि तू कर पाएगा सी.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
तू कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करता था, कभी हम बाहर करते थे, बट you've cleared, which means it's a big thing.
It's a big thing. And why I am very close to Abhay as well is because this is exactly what that used to happen to me when I was doing, which is go back in time further. उस समय तो बिल्कुल भी. So I used to go for parties. I used to be doing पढ़ाई तो खैर लोगों ने मेरे को करते देखा नहीं होगा. So I remember जब रिजल्ट आया ना तो हमारे ऑफिस में there were 40 people, and I think there were the 2 people who passed. So मैं मिठाई का डब्बा लेके गया अपने पार्टनर के सामने. कहते बेटा ये किस बात के लिए? मैं कहा सर मैं पास हो गया. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द फेस. तू पास हो गया? तू कैसे पास हो गया? So it's not necessary that you have to be always studying or look serious.
100%.
Seriousness,
100%.
I always say, is not on the face. It's inside your head.
100%.
Yes.
So triathlon is basically wherein you do 3 sports, which is swimming, cycling, and running in this specific order. I have done 3 Ironman 70.3 distance.
Okay.
It's basically you start with 1.9 kilometer of swimming, and it's not a pool swimming. You have to do it in open waters.
Seriously?
Yeah. So
Salty water.
Goa में होता है, you go to Miramar beach and that's where you swim. So it's 1.9 kilometer of swimming followed by 90 kilometer of cycling.
फिर से बोलना 90 90. Wow.
And then you finish with a half marathon, which is 21.1 kilometer.
Wow. That, my dear children, you must know, must require a lot of stamina, a lot of training. I think it's a passion with you, therefore you find time for it.
Absolutely.
Despite being at such a senior position, despite handling all the statutory compliances, and that for you children and everyone out there is an Indian chartered accountant. So I want, Abhay, we've had a great conversation. And with you it's always, बिना सोचे हम बस बोलते रहते हैं. We can continue this for an hour. हम लगे रहेंगे. But I want now you to tell this audience of the new generation. You are also in the other generation. What is the future of an Indian chartered accountant? And what qualities should these children imbibe? What is it that they must? Communication एक बहुत important बात है, या कुछ और आपको लगता है इनको work on करना चाहिए before they come to the corporate world?
See, I think एक तो you need to be very confident about whatever you're doing. When I say whatever you're doing means like जब हम पहले बात कर रहे थे आपने बोला कि when you're studying, when you're playing, you're playing. So you need to be focused and confident about yourself, how you position yourself, how you portray yourself. I was very true about whatever my interests were. My first interview, the reason why I got selected was, and this is actually a real incident. So the interviewer asked me, Kibi, if I give you an option, and this wasn't prepared, right? So he said ki, okay, if I give you an option कि तू PwC में आएगा, you were to do a bank audit or an automobile audit industry का, तो क्या करेगा? I straight away said automobile industry. He said why? I said because I'm fascinated by all these cars. I've come to the Auto Expo, I think more than 2 or 3 times. It used to happen once every 2 years. गौतम के साथ ही आता था मैं. तो मैंने उसको बताया इसलिए. तो he said I really liked your answer. I said why? कहता because तेरे CV में bank audits का experience है. Ideally, you should have said bank audits. But you've given an answer which is actually something which you're very close to. Right?
Exactly.
अब मैंने नहीं उसमें सोचा कि यार वो मेरे से पूछेगा तो मैं
क्या बोलूंगा,
right? Now, the reason I'm saying is I met a person who kind of, who understood this. I was true to myself. So this is what you need to do, right? Whatever your passions are, whatever your hobbies are, CA, you might have to kind of, put them a little, under the carpet for a while. But CA doesn't mean कि तुम वो करोगे ही नहीं. जो हम अभी बात करते हैं.
Wholesome person. You have to live life.
Absolutely.
See, work is a part of the journey of living.
Absolutely.
You're not only living to work.
100%.
So explore yourselves.
Yeah.
But like you said, जब काम कर रहे हो, तुम्हारे से better कोई काम नहीं कर रहा होना चाहिए. And you should not be wrong at any point of time.
I have always, like I was saying that, I still consider myself one of those blessed individuals, luckiest individual who was able to do CA. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरी होती otherwise. नहीं. The reason I say is that, everybody's hardworking. Right? You need that bit of luck also.
I think luck comes when you work hard. And you make your own luck at times. If you believe in yourself, if you do that, वो तक शिद्दत से तैयारी करिए तो वो हो जाएगा.
So मैं वही कहता कि I might not be the smartest worker in the room, but I'll make sure that I'm the hardest worker in the room.
Awesome.
Right? So you need to
Very well said.
You need to be again,
true to what you're doing.
Absolutely. मुझे पता है मेरे से.
दिल से करो यार जो कर रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
फल की चिंता मत करो, करते रहो, and life continues. What final question? What is the future of this profession as per you?
I think
because things are so changing so fast. AI की बात करते हैं, कहते हैं AI आ जाएगा तो पता नहीं CA क्या करेगा. So I want that from you.
There are endless opportunities. government is coming up with so many new regulations, which
Right.
is bread and butter of so
That-
many of us, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm part of an organization,
Hmm.
so we need to make sure that we comply with them.
Hmm.
At the same time, there are a lot of CAs who are advising us.
Hmm.
अब नई compliance आई है, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Company ने resources दिए, you hire a chartered accountancy firm and then they'll advise you.
Yeah.
6-7 years back, GST came into picture.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नया था.
Even bankruptcy जब आया था, everybody
बिल्कुल.
needs a
Yeah,
CA.
yeah.
This is all our job.
So GST impacted everyone,
Yeah.
right? सब बिल्कुल नया सर्विस टैक्स गया, GST आया है,
Hmm.
आपको अपने सिस्टम चेंज करने हैं, आपको नए रूल्स आ रहे हैं, पढ़ना है, उसके बारे में पता करना है.
Hmm.
वो आया. So I'm just talking about the opportunities kind of which came in.
हाँ.
उसके I think couple of years down the line, then I think UAE also kind of
Started
introduced
with that. So that is very nice. What you say right now. Your scope is no longer restricted to India.
बिल्कुल
With the
बिल्कुल.
growing economy, India is going to be a part of the.
हमें
we are
the
going to lead, yeah.
firm that was helping us out,
हाँ.
उनकी टीम से half of them kind of went to Dubai. उनको
हाँ.
ऑफर्स आ गए वहां से.
हाँ. अच्छा.
So आज उन्होंने बोल दिया, कह रहे देखो no 7 years and still GST I would say is in its nascent
Yeah,
stage, right?
It's
Because
evolving. It's still
evolving.
Yeah, it's evolving.
तो उसके बाद दुबई आ गया. Now the demand for all the Indian CAs, because mind you Indian CAs are very much in demand.
Oh yes, because वो कहते हैं एक बार इंडियन सीए कर ली, ये
बिल्कुल.
सबसे मुश्किल डिग्री, इनको
बिल्कुल.
पकड़ो. बिल्कुल ठीक. I agree with you.
So endless opportunities, not just in India but overseas also. Then with all these firms, you get opportunities to kind of work on profiles which are not just your day-to-day statutory compliances.
Hmm.
Like I was talking about the financial planning analysis,
Hmm.
or the internal control, internal audit roles. You're no longer restricted to just the
Statutory audit.
statutory audit or just the Indian territory. I mean, you
Yeah.
join an organization, I mean, any MNC,
Hmm.
and you do well.
Hmm.
It opens a door that you can travel, you can settle outside. I've seen so many colleagues
Yes.
of mine who've kind of
So in simple English, the future is very bright.
bilkul.
Awesome, Abhay. It's always been a pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
एक जाते जाते ये मॉडलिंग कैसे आई थी यार, ये बता देते.
If you go on YouTube,
Yeah, it's
Tata Punch पे है, there's one section which is with a dog, with a small kid, and with with my wife.
Yeah.
So
Awesome. And very people know this. Way back in my time, I did a modeling ad as well.
yes,
And you know it. I
I know it,
generally
I know
never
it.
say it.
Yeah.
तूने बोला. But it's a good thing. Explore whatever you
बिल्कुल.
do. I mean, I've DJ'd. People don't know this, but there is a side of me that does DJing as well.
This is all something which you have told me.
Yeah, very few people.
Yeah.
So it's good to see, and I believe आज आप लोगों को भी बहुत सीख मिली होगी. Probably a lot of these stories will not change anything. They will only make you realize what you can also do. Till next time, see you again.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah.